Thanks to a recent update to the Adobe Scan app, there are now 4 new camera modes that are optimized for a different document type. Do you want to see what they are? Let's do it. Tap the icon to launch the app. The first thing you'll see is the camera. Notice below the camera you'll see 4 new camera modes. They are whiteboard, document, form, and business card. Let's scan a business card. With business card selected, take a photo of the business card that you want to scan. Make sure that the blue dots you see are at the 4 corners of the business card and then press the camera button once. Then tap on the photo in the bottom right hand corner and you should see the business card as shown. Tap Save PDF from the upper right hand corner. Scroll down and you'll see 3 options below the business card. The one on the far right says Save Contact, which will automatically save the information on the business card as a contact in your Contacts application. There's the form containing all the contact information. Tap Save from the upper right corner. When you see the green bar, the contact has been saved to your Contacts application. Let's take a look. Here's the contact I just saved. The information has been blurred out to protect the privacy of my contact.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
If you have a problem with any part of this process, leave a comment below so I can help you. Don't forget to click that thumbs up if you liked the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.